I haven't filmed anything in like over a month. I feel so weird. Yes, I am red. I just worked out. I don't do that very often, but it was absolutely awful. And I can't really lift my arms above here. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make a pink drink. I found a video on TikTok, yes, and it was how to make a pink drink and it tastes just like the one from Starbucks. And I, of course, was interested because I'm absolutely obsessed with pink drinks. They're the best beverage out there. But I always get a venti because they're just like, they go by so fast since they're iced, and I just always get a venti. So that's like around $5.50 each. Baby, oh, she just literally launched snot across the kitchen. Okay, one second. Poor baby. Yeah, so I was really sick of spending $5.50 every time I wanted a pink drink, which is pretty often. So yeah, I followed this tutorial. It wasn't really a tutorial. It just showed the ingredients. The steps weren't very good. It just didn't really show what to do. So I just wanted to show you my improved recipe for how to make a pink drink, and I promise, like, it really does taste just like a pink drink. At least to me, it does. And I've been drinking them for a long time, so I think it's pretty close. So I got this cup. I got one of these like see-through ones from Starbucks with my rewards. I saved up 400 stars. So I got this. Step 1. Fill your cup. It doesn't matter what size your cup is. Fill it around halfway with ice, I would say. Got our ice. I went a little more than halfway. Our first ingredient, it's really easy to find, I got it at Food Line, is this juice. Baby! This is the juice we'll be using. It tastes just like, I guess, strawberry acai. This is what it is. It's white cran strawberry. I'm pretty sure you can find it anywhere, and it's really delicious. You take your first ingredient, and you focus, and you pour it halfway up in the cup. Second ingredient, coconut milk. Of course, that's the main ingredient of a pink drink. So I got this on clearance. Here's a little tip. It was not in the refrigerated section, which I was surprised by. So I went to 3 stores looking in the refrigerated section for coconut milk, and they were like $4 for a bottle, and I was like, no, I just want a small one, like where are these? And I found it at Target just on the shelf, like with some baking stuff and everything near like the cake flour. But so I got this for $1.68. So you see, we're saving money here. This is the one that I got. It's unsweetened, but it has vanilla flavor. But it's soy-free and dairy-free, of course, so you could get the regular, or you could get vanilla, or whatever you want, really. Just nothing, like, obscure. I don't know how many different coconut milks they have, but I think the vanilla tastes pretty good. Not really by itself. Like, I'm not a fan of coconut milk by itself. I don't know. I like pretty much all the other ones. I like oat milk so much, almond, all that. Coconut milk, But, see, here's our next step. We're gonna take that. Oh wait, shake it up first, shake it up. And then, folks, we have the final ingredient. You really could have guessed it, the strawberries. So I also found these at Target. You can really probably, I think, get all 3 ingredients at Target. Target has everything. Here's better lighting. I have my ring light set up in the kitchen, but for this part, take as many as you want. I usually like a lot in my pink drinks, but I'm trying to like save on the amount I use. So I just take like a little handful here, and you drop it in the cup. Okay. So I really shouldn't have put the straw in yet, so we're gonna go ahead and take that out. Put the lid on. So my cup, it has a hole in the top, but we're gonna need to shake this. Basically every time I just cover the hole like this and shake. Oh yeah. Now doesn't that look like the perfect pink color? This is the final color. I'm pretty sure that looks just like a real pink drink. We're gonna try it really quickly. I mean, I've been drinking them like a lot lately, so I pretty much already know what it tastes like. But put your straw back in and perfect. Oh, this is my best one yet. I have not gotten it spot on like this until now. That's all there is to it. I think the cranberry juice was $2.99, and then the strawberries were $3, and the coconut milk was $1.68. So basically, okay, I've already made about 5 or 6 pink drinks, and that was around $8. So anyone can see that I'm saving money, so you should too. I sound like a commercial, but like seriously, this is amazing. I'm honestly never buying a pink drink again unless I'm like out of town or something. My whole point here is thank TikTok. So thank you so much for watching me stand in my kitchen and make a fool of myself and teach you how to make a pink drink. I hope that it works out for you and you can find the ingredients, and if you end up making this recipe, please come back, comment below, let me know how it went. I want to know like how close to an actual pink drink you guys think this tastes. So, or if you think that you've already tried a better recipe and you want to let me know, like also leave that below. See you guys next time.